How to delete your account on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can basically delete your Discord account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your account on Discord, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Discord application that you can find here. After you launch the Discord app, you simply want to come to the home tab and then just make sure to basically tap this little icon from the bottom right until you come to the account settings page. From here, what you want to do is just go to this option known as account, which is right at the top. Then from here scroll down, then tap on delete account, then tap on the on-screen options. Now if you're an admin of a particular server, first of all you have to transfer the ownership of that. If you don't know how to transfer the ownership, we've also made a dedicated video, so you can search them in our channel, or you can tap the delete account option, enter your password, and then you will be able to delete your account successfully. This way you can go ahead and then delete your Discord account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.